Yo, what's up, my guys? It's me, Rida, and I'm back again. Got something a little simpler today. Well, at least I think it's gonna be simple. Got this beautiful piece of salmon here. I got it at the farmer's market, and goddamn, this is the nicest piece of fish I've ever bought. Probably one of the nicest pieces of meat that I've ever purchased, and I'm really excited. It has the skin on. We're gonna leave that on, and I'm gonna cook this like I would a steak. I've seen a couple videos, and it doesn't seem too challenging. Just gonna be real simple. Some seasonings and some lemon, and probably gonna throw it over some rice. But anyways, let's get started. So after watching a couple videos, it seems like you gotta pat these things dry. So I guess it's kind of like that, and I probably don't have to do it to the skin side, but we're gonna do it anyway. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season the fillet itself. I have some seasonings here, and I'm gonna be pretty generous, I guess. So I'm gonna put some salt on there. Chacheres, that's like a Creole seasoning. My roommate uses this on fish. He likes to catch fish and cook it, and he's used this stuff a lot. Not gonna go crazy with the chacheres, but got some garlic powder. I guess I'll skip. Actually, no. We'll put it on. Got some smoked paprika. Then we'll flip it. And the skin side, I don't think you really have to season this that much. We're gonna do it anyway. So on this side, I'm just gonna put roughly the same amount of seasoning. I don't think it's gonna stick to the skin as much, but we'll do it anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this pan on medium heat. Yeah, I'll leave it at 5, and then put some oil in it. This is avocado oil. And then once this heats up, I'll put the fillet on and see what happens. So I guess while I'm waiting for the pan to heat up, figure out if there's anything else I want to do to this. So I had some leftover rice, so use some of that. Sauce wise, I'll use some Hanks. Got camouflage. It's a hell of a good hot sauce. I don't know. I don't really think there's really much else I want to do. Kind of want to keep it simple. It's kind of late, so I don't want to really do a lot of work. But actually, I guess use some garlic. We put the butter in the pan. But yeah, I think that should be good enough. All right, I believe the stove is ready. So now we're gonna just put it skin side down and hope for the best. Okay. I think that's probably good. So yeah, we'll let it do its thing for just a bit. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Kind of a new thing for me. I've never really cooked salmon like this, so yeah, I'm kind of winging it here. Alright, so this has probably been on here for about 5 minutes. This is a pretty big piece of salmon, so I was kind of hoping that this would be a little more cooked, but I think we're just gonna flip it right now, so I saw in a bunch of videos that if the skin is sticking, that means you either cooked it too much or the pan wasn't hot enough. This is really hard to do with one hand. Give me a moment. Alright, so I had to flip it off camera. That was actually kind of challenging to do with just one hand. But as you can see, the skin is nice and crispy, and it's looking pretty good. So now that I flipped it though, I gotta put some butter in here. So I used this to cut a lemon earlier. I take a dollop, just throw it in there, put it all around there. And then I'm gonna baste this, and probably throw this garlic in a little bit. I'll do this do it off camera. But anyways, I'm gonna do this off camera because I have to tilt the pan. But essentially, I'm gonna tilt the pan. I'm gonna scoop the butter over top of the salmon. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I basted this for like 2 minutes. It still looks a little pink, but overall, I think this is looking pretty close to being done, if not being done. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna turn the heat off now. And then I'm gonna take it off of the heat. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's done. Microwave that leftover rice, put a little slice of lemon on it. This is pretty much done, so I'm just gonna put it on the plate now. Let's try my best to do this with one hand. Oh yeah, it smells so fucking good. Anyways, plop that right on top of that rice. If I can get a nice focus here. Damn. Alright. Let's plate it and let's eat it. I get one more shot of this, like, man, holy hell. This is looking insane, dudes. Holy crap. Oh my fucking god. I'm like kind of at a disbelief how good it smells and how good it looks. Alright, anyways, hold on. We gotta eat this thing. It's so blurry. But that's what we're looking at. Oh god. God damn. Oh man, I'm excited. Let's eat. Oh, dude, that skin sounds crazy. Of course. Gotta drizzle that lemon on it. Hope you can see that. Bon appetit. Wow. I didn't really go crazy. A very simple seasoning. The skin. The skin is mental. Holy hell. Look at that. Look at that piece of skin. I hope you can see that, bro. Oh. so good. I gotta check if this is rolling just in case. Alright, we're good. We're good. Now this is the strat. Skin, salmon, rice. That's so good. Holy shit, that is good. This is definitely the best. It's probably the best fish I've ever made, man. I've made salmon before, but this is absolutely the best salmon I've made, bro. Oh, I didn't even try the Hanks. What the hell am I doing, bro? Put a little Hanks on this piece here. That's what I'm looking at. Oh my God. This is one of the best things I've ever made, hands down. Oh God. Oh God, this skin is crazy, dude. With the sauce, dude. It's so good. Oh my God. The crispy skin. Unreal. You could eat just the skin. That'd be crazy. I'm at a loss for words, guys. I'm like seriously blown away with myself right now. This is like fucking unreal. The rice was a good call, for sure. It's like soaking up all the sauce and the juices from the fish. Anyways, guys, I'm not even done, bro, but fuck it, I'm just gonna continue eating this. Some people think that I'm like playing a character. So this is kind of how I am in real life. NGL. Look how fucking awesome that skin is though, dude. Oh. skin. Wow. The skin is so crazy, dude. What the hell? I don't have much to say. Other than that, it's fucking amazing. Alright, guys. I'm having a moment. This is the best thing I've probably ever made. I'm boosting it. I'm definitely boosting it. But, wow. I'll say this is the best fish I've ever made. I would say the beef stew was probably the best thing I've ever made. This didn't take me that long, but like, there's just so much going on here. The crispy skin, the texture of the salmon, the rice, the hanks, the lemon. It's all so simple, but so fucking good. I'm gonna give this a 9, bros. This is a 9 out of 10 right here, bro. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video and supporting the channel. Have a good night.